So my favorite cut of meat is called the spinalis. So it is the top cap of the ribeye. And so everybody has that like perfect bite of meat, and that is mine. So many years ago at the club, you could order just that piece of meat. And it took a little bit of butchering to clean it all up, but there's nothing better than that spinalis. It's actually the third most tender muscle in the cow. It's stupid delicious.
That's, when me and my wife share a steak, that is the only piece she eats, and then she gives me the rest of the piece.
See, my wife is the other way. I give her the eye of rib, and then I eat the spinalis, and I'm okay with that.
We could be married and it would be okay.
That'd be strange.
Because you would eat that, and then I would eat that, my favorite cut of meat is probably going to be a brisket. I enjoy trimming it. Mm-hmm. I enjoy, injecting it. I enjoy rubbing it down with Ben's heifer dust specifically, and I enjoy how long it takes. I can sleep, I can hang out with my family, I can play with my son, and when I'm done with all of that, everybody's asleep, I can put it on, I can go to bed, I can wake up, and it's done. So